Welcome. If you're trying to track down specific emails in your Gmail inbox but overwhelmed by thousands of messages, searching by a custom date range can make all the difference. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest method for searching emails by any time period you choose, no matter how wide or narrow. Start by opening your Gmail app on your device. Give your inbox a moment to load, and get ready to make searching a whole lot easier. Next, tap the search field right at the top of your screen. This is where Gmail lets you hunt for messages by keywords, senders, and even dates. After tapping the search field, you'll notice some quick options appear below the bar. Look for the one labeled Date and tap it. This is your gateway to narrowing down your search results by time. Now comes the good part. When the calendar window pops up, select Custom Range. This gives you the freedom to sift through emails between any two dates you have in mind, whether you're looking back just a few weeks or several years. Once you've chosen Custom Range, you'll need to pick your start date and end date. Tap the first calendar field to set when you want the search to begin, and then tap the second to set when it should end. Carefully choose the dates relevant to your hunt. Maybe you're tracking down last summer's project updates or hunting for receipts from December. After setting your custom range, tap OK or Apply, depending on your device. Instantly, Gmail will display emails received between those exact dates, filtering out all the noise and clutter. That's it. With this straightforward approach, you can quickly uncover important messages from any period without tediously scrolling or guessing. Next time you need to retrieve a contract, photo, or conversation from a particular week or month, use this method to make your email search fast, accurate, and frustration-free.